I got some deliveries, and this time it is from kuSYneRA. kuSYneRA takes pride in providing us with cakes and pastries at a very affordable price. And how affordable it is? You can have this mango cream cake for only 450 pesos. What makes it sulit? Because it is at 7 inches and you can have like cubes of mangoes good or fresh mangoes. Kita ka, naa sa taas and naa sa good in between sa 2 layers of sponge cake. So there you can see how creamy it is and unsa sa good ka generous ang ilahang mangoes. To order, you may just message the official social media accounts of kuSYneRA. And for that, mga onag yun dayon ta guys. Excited kayo ko kay I really like mangoes and lamig kayo ang mangoes because what had happened is like ang icing wala siya flavoring sa mango so cream lang yun siya but you will be getting the mango flavor gikan yun sa manga itself nga naa sa topping ug naa in between sa cake. And the cake sad ka it is thick enough nga murag mabusog yun dayon ka in one slice pero because dili kayo siya tamis daghan sad jud kag makaon so unsa man gyud see nahurot gyud dayon ako ang one slice like in less than 20 seconds and now divulging in the cream and the mangoes. But then again guys, always eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating, and lastly to follow me in all my social media accounts and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye bye.